Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And before I'll show you how to reset the camera settings, I'd like to draw your attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. Now all we have to do is to open the settings, and I simply highly recommend to do it on the standard photo mode. So let's go to the settings icon, the gear icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it and then tap on more settings in the right upper corner again. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom. To find Restore Defaults, let's tap on it and tap on Confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera automatically. And here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we have to decide whether we want to grant the camera access to the location. So agree or disagree, it's totally up to you. And the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.